Welcome children in the second video of mathematics of class 6 chapter 1 knowing numbers. In previous section we have read about formation of numbers, formation of smallest and greatest number, comparing numbers, place values, etc. Now in this section we will learn about Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Students, it's very easy to do the numeration. Numeration means ankan. In this section we put the name of a given number according to their place values. Okay, now how can we do it? It's very easy to write. Suppose there is a number given to categorize, to give places. In Indian system we have to first of all need to given a group to the digits. मतलब इसमें जो अंक दिए गए हैं उन अंकों को हम एक एक समूह में सजा देंगे. तो हाउ विल यू डू? टू डू इट वी चूज द डिजिट्स फ्रॉम एक्सट्रीम राइट साइड. जो हमारे सबसे दाहिने किनारे का जो अंक दिया गया है उसको सबसे पहले चुनते हैं. एंड फर्स्ट group will be made up of 3 digits, that 1, 2, 3. Now we put comma. Again we choose 2 digits, 1, 2. Again 2 digits, 1, 2. And last you see the 2 digits are left. Now we put name. We give their name as the first 3 digits are told in one category and their places are 1, 10, 100. Again the next one comes in 1000 category. About it we will learn in a table. In short I am telling you, we write in 1000 group as 1 and 10. Then comes lakh. Again it is divided in 1 and 10, and then comes crore. 1 and 10. So your number is there. 19 crore 65 lakh 42,357. But in the international system of numeration, here also we make groups and give their names according to their places. But there is a slight difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration, that in Indian system of numeration only the first 3 digits from the right side are grouped in 3 digits. Others are grouped in 2 digits. But in international system of numeration, we make group of each section of 3 digits as 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now here you see extreme left-sided number remains single. Now we give their name as here it is told 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. But and 100,000. But after 1000, as in Indian system of numeration, we give name lakh and crore. Here we will give a new name, that million and billion. Means it will be the section of million, and this is of billion. So here 1 million, 10 million and 100 million, and this is of 1 billion. मतलब जैसे आपने देखा कि इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन में हमने क्या किया कि पहले राइट साइड के पहले 3 अंकों को सजा लिया, फिर 2-2 अंकों का ग्रुप बनाया और उनका नाम, जैसे कि हमने 1, 10, 100 के बाद 1000, लाख और करोड़ दिया। इंटरसल सिस्टम में यह थोड़ा सा परिवर्तन यह करेंगे कि इन सभी अंकों को हम 3-3 के रूप में बांट देंगे, और इसके बाद इसमें 1000 तक तो ठीक है, यहाँ 10,000 के बाद फिर 100,000 आता है, और इसके बाद मिलियन और बिलियन आ जाता है। देन वी राइट नेम्स एज हियर इन इंडियन सिस्टम वी राइट एज 19 करोड़ 65 लाख 23,000 300 and 57. But in international system of numeration, we write 1 billion, 500, 23 million, 600, 78,000, and 134. Now once again we will learn more about it in Indian place value system table and international system of numeration table. So let's go forward. Now children, we will learn how to arrange the digits of a given number in Indian system of numeration table. To arrange these digits, we choose digits from the extreme right side. As the in first number, extreme right sided number digit is 1, then 0, 2 and so on. So we put the first digit is 1 here. After that we write 0, 2, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7 and 9. Now it's clear that 97 comes in crores period, 84 comes in lakh period, 56 comes in thousand period and 201 comes in ones period. So the number name will be 97 crore 84 lakh 56,000 and 201. Same process will be applied for the second number, as we write here 7, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So what you see, the number is adjusted till thousands period, means its name is 23,455. 7. Now the next, as we arrange 8, 5, 9, 6, 5 and 3. Again you can count it as it's given 3,56,958. Now arrangement of these digits will be done in International Place Value System table also. But as I told you earlier, the name of periods will be slightly changed. Students, in International Place Value System table, we arrange each group in the group of 3 digits. As from extreme side, we write here the number as 1, 0, 2, 6, 5, 4, 8, 7 and 9. So here you find that the number is read as 978,456,201. In second, again we arrange this as 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then its name 23,457. And third will be arranged as 8, 5, 9, 6, 5 and 3. Means its name will be 356,958. बहुत आसान है, क्योंकि हम लोग जब भी पीरियड्स में इसको बांटते हैं, उनके हमेशा यह याद रखना है कि हमें राइट साइड से ही नंबरों को सजाना है। और जब हम ऐसा करते हैं, वह नंबर खुद ब खुद अपने जब प्लेस पर आते हैं, तो उनके पीरियड्स के हिसाब से हम उनका नामकरण कर देते हैं, और फिर हमारे लिए आसान हो जाता है उस नंबर के, उस संख्या के नाम को जानना। Students, let's know about expanded form. Even you know about expanded form, but here we know about some rules. What do you mean by expanded? Expanded form means the sum of place value of a digit is called expanded form. मतलब विस्तारित रूप। इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि जो भी डिजिट्स दिए गए होते हैं, उनके प्लेस वैल्यू के स्थानीय मान के अनुसार हम उनको लिखते हैं और फिर उसको ऐड करते चलते हैं। So here to write a number in expanded form, we choose first digit from extreme left. हम अपने बाएं साइड के सबसे पहले नंबर को सबसे पहले चुनते हैं। आफ्टर दैट वी पुट zeros according to the digits given after it. जैसे सपोज I take here 4 as the extreme left is 4, and how many digits are there after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write here 9 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then write plus. After that write 3, and how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we write plus. Again we choose 9, and 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then write 5 and 9, 2. Then write 2 and how many digits will there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that comes 6. So 5 zeros will be there. Then you write 5 and how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again write plus. Then we write 1 and 3 zeros are there. After that 7, 2 zeros are there. Then 5, 1 zero is there and write 6. Students, very easy to write. You can see that the number of zeros are in decreasing order for the coming number. हर नंबर के बाद हम जीरो की संख्या क्या करेंगे? इसको घटाते हुए चले जाएंगे और इस तरह से हमारे पास इन अंकों का स्थानीय मान के अनुसार उनके जब सम कर देते हैं तो एक एक्सपेंडेड यानी विस्तारित रूप मिल जाता है। नाउ हियर यू राइट as 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 600 plus 20 and no need to write 0. 0 कहीं भी होता है आप इसको छोड़ देते हैं. So here add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, don't write zeros place. Come directly 5. And there are 2 zeros because 2 digits are there after it. Again 4, 50 and then we write 8. Okay. Now we have to know some word problems. So let this some word problem. Now first question is given. Seema recorded the population of 3 towns as 7 crore 25 lakh 67,305, 1 crore 92 lakh 50,875 and 77 lakh 56,892. The find the total population of the town. To make the word problem, it needs to know what the question is asking. So students, it must to read the question again and again. क्योंकि जब आप क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे कि यह सवाल या प्रश्न क्या कह रहा है तभी आप इसको सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. इसलिए आप हर बार सवालों को पढ़िए, फिर उसके अनुसार देखिए कि इसमें एडिशन करना है, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, मल्टीप्लाई करना है या डिवाइड करना है. तो एज हियर वी फाइंड कि द क्वेश्चन टेल्स टू add the numbers. And to add the numbers, we write these numerals from the extreme right side. As we write firstly 5, then 0, then 3, 7, 6, 5, 2, 7. After that 5, 7, 8, 0, 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 8, 6, 5 and 7. Students, if you write the digits from extreme right, then it will never be dearranged in their periods. Now we start adding the 5, 5, 10 and 2, 12, carry 1, 8 and 9, 17, carry 1, 4 and 8, 12 and 8, 20, 0, write 2 and 7, 9 and 6, 15, carry 1, 7, 5, 12 and 5, 17, carry 1, 6, 2, 8 and 7, 15, we write 5, carry 1, 3 and 9, 12, carry 1 and 8, 1, 9. Means this is your answer. It is the 9 crore 25 lakh 9 crore 25 lakh 75,072. Now we see the next question. Now second question is telling Mohit deposited rupees 25 lakh 87,201 in his account, and after 1 week he withdrew rupees 72,000 from his account. Tell how much money is left now. प्रश्न क्या बोला कि मोहित ने 25 लाख 87,201 रुपीज अपने अकाउंट में जमा कराया और एक सप्ताह बाद उसने 72,000 रुपीज निकाल लिए. तो बताओ कितने पैसे हैं. नाउ here we have to subtract, so we arrange them as I told earlier. So we start subtracting as 1 minus 0 1, then 0 2 5 1 5 and 2. Now total left money is 25 lakh 15,201. This is your answer. Students, in third question we see the mass of each gas cylinder is 16 kg 250 gram. What is the total mass of 16 such cylinders? The question is telling कि अगर एक सिलेंडर का वजन 16 kg 250 ग्राम है तो इस तरह के 16 सिलेंडर्स का वजन कितना होगा. Then you know कि we have to multiply it, because if the weight of one substance has given, to find more we have to multiply. चूंकि हम यहाँ multiply करते हैं, so we write here 6 0 जा 0, 6 5 जा 30, so we write 0, remainder 3, 6 2 जा 12 and 3 remainder, so we add it, becomes 15, carry 1 will be kept for another addition, so 6 is 36 and 1 37, remainder 3 and 6 1 is 6 3 9. Again from tens place 1 0 is 0, so we start writing from the second place because it is the 10th place. Now 1 5 jar 5, 1 2 jar 2, 1 6 jar 6 and 1 1 jar 1. Now we add it 0 0 5 and 5 0, carry 1, 6 7 1 8 and 2 10, carry 1 and 15 and 1 16, 16 and 1 and 1 2. Now the fourth question is given. A rope of length 10 meter has been divided into 8 pieces of the same length. So what is the length of each piece? Means कि अगर एक रस्सी की लंबाई 10 मीटर है और इसको 8 बराबर भागों में बांटना है, तो बताना है कि हर टुकड़े का लेंथ कितना होगा. So children, it's clear. We have to divide here to find the length of each piece. So we write here 10 meter and 0 0 centimeter. Again we write 8. 8 1 jar 8. We subtract here, so 10 minus 8 will be 2. As you know, 2 cannot be divided by 8, so we move to centimeter and take 1 0. Again, we divide it by 8 as it is meter. Again we write here 8 to jar 16. Remainder 4 and 1 0 will be taken from centimeter 40 and 8 5 jar 40, so 30. Now this will be centimeter, therefore length of each piece. Each piece is equal to 1 meter 25 centimeter. So students, the rest of 2 topics as estimation of numbers and Roman numerals we will read in the next video.